Gawin yung cash. Patunayan mo. I love you is good, but I need cash. The morning starts to show the teardrops in my eyes, but will you say you love me and show me that you care? Nakailan na tayong standing ovation? Binibira. Thank you. Guys, I appreciate all of you. Baka may nakakulit mga wala yung boss. Putang na! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. My gosh, I haven't been singing that song. Thank you so much. Napagod ako? Nakapagod yung kanta na yun, ha? Thank you so much. Now I'd like to sing another song that I recorded in the album Retro. Do you guys remember that? Yeah. Haven't been singing. Well, recently I sang this, I think, in Singapore, but it was in a different arrangement. But tonight I'd like to sing it in its original form. This was originally sang and actually written by Mr. Gary Valenciano. ang mga oras natin nakaraan. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana nalalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana, ito ang tanging nais ko, ang ating kahapon sana ang nais ko. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong Thank you so much. I got a little emotional because I just realized I haven't been singing this song in its original form. So thank you so much. This was actually rearranged by Mon Faustino. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Habang kumakanta ako, nagdadasal ako. Alam mo ba yun? Sabi ko, Lord, please sing with me. Inutusan ko pa si Lord. Lord, kantahin mo na to. Ikaw nang bahala. Ako naman. Andiyan ka lang naman sa heaven. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ulitin ko ulit. Sana maulit-ulit? Ulit-ulit? Pajulit-julit? Okay, now here's another song that I also sang long time ago. And I never got to record it. And I have a story time. Yes. During this time kasi, when this song became popular, my jowa and I were, hindi ko alam, hindi pa tayo out nun, no? Hindi pa kami out. So, lihim. Palihim-lihim lang. And I remember, Pops and I had a concert together called, ano nga yun? Queens on Fire. Queens on Fire at the Ultra. And I wanted to sing this song so much because it's so beautiful, and it was my song for my Papa. Hi, Papa. Ngayon may bebe na kami. And this was, kailan to? Kailan to naging popular? Kailan pa to sumikat? Kailan to na-release? Hindi nyo nga alam, ano? Mamaya na. Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Nakalimutan ko naman. Para bang pinahulaan ko lang sa kanila. No, but this was one of South Borders' big hit.